Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Wow, I'm excited today because first of all, I'm using this beautiful new ring light from ILLIOS and Makeup by Mario that I am obsessed with. So let's see how the lighting is today and see if it's any better. But today we are talking lipstick because probably one of the biggest questions I get asked on Instagram is my lipstick. What colors do I use? For years. I don't know why I haven't done this video before, but I'm doing it now. If you guys have never been here before, hello, welcome. My name is Samantha and I do all types of makeup, beauty, more fashion this year for women over 50 and inspiration. So hit that subscribe button, join along, and let me show you how I do my nude lip that everybody loves so much. So let's get started. Okay. The first thing I want to talk about is dry lips. My lips are as dry can be. It doesn't matter what I use. I have every lip mask and scrub under the sun, but my lips are just perpetually dry. So for me, any type of liquid lipstick that I put on my lips, by the way, I always use liquid lipsticks. I have to exfoliate my lips first, but the only thing that really works for me is this. It's called the Microdermamitt, and this is the Face Mitt. It's on my Amazon store, so I'll go ahead and put a link below in the description bar of everything that you guys can purchase. But this, they have a body one, and then this is for the face, and I just keep it in the shower, and all you do is wet it and then scrub your mouth. And let me tell you, it will exfoliate all that dry skin, and pretty much have to do this every day because if not, I can actually peel huge pieces of skin off my lips, and it's just how it's always been. So obviously, if you're going to start any lipstick look, you're gonna wanna exfoliate your lips. Now, number two is because I use always liquid lipsticks because they last longer, and I'm not one of those people to be constantly putting on lipstick. Actually, I hate it, so that's why I use a liquid lipstick. Now today, this is my new favorite combo, so I'm gonna be showing you what I've been using lately, but also I like to mix it up and I like to mix products together. So I think that is something that I really wanted to share with you. You can mix lipsticks together all the time, anytime you want, different kinds, different shades. Absolutely don't feel like you cannot mix or make a cocktail of your own lipstick to get the shade that you want because everybody's tone's a little bit different, their undertone. So experiment with all your nudes that you have, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. So the lipsticks that I've been using on the regular lately is the Shades by Shan and the Makeup by Yeya collab lipstick. And I'll put the link below of the exact lipstick, but it's a little bit dark for me. I like my nude lipstick a little bit brighter and lighter. So I'm gonna mix it with KVD, which is this kind of pink nude, and it's called Muneca. And I love these two mixed together. So let me show you them close up. Yeah, these are just absolutely beautiful. So the first thing that I've done is exfoliate my lips so they are not all dry and crepey. So the first thing is I like to go over with the Shades by Shan and Makeup by Yeya liquid lipstick first. And I'm just gonna go all over my lips. Now remember that liquid lipsticks dry quite quickly, so you have about a minute or two for them to start drying out on you. Immediately, I'm gonna go in with the KVD Muneca liquid lipstick, this really beautiful pink. I like the lighter color in the inside of the lip. And I use my finger to pat it out. I love the way this comes out. It comes out so effortless. So I just start patting. So good. And there's the nude. Now I might want to take it a little bit brighter than that, just taking a look. Yeah, I still want it lighter, so I'm going to take more of the Muneca and just put her in the areas that I want to really brighten. And then again with my finger. And why do I put the lighter color in the inner part of the lip? It's almost like contouring your lips to make them look a little bit more pouty. So there you go. And if I wanted to go even more light, and this is like a trick of the trade, I like to use a regular concealer. So I have this SEPHORA collection concealer that I love to use. Just dab a little bit. Also, if I want to change the shade, to make it a little bit more peach or nude, because this is very pink what I got going on here. And sometimes I like it a little bit more nude. And again, pat her out. Now, a liquid liner is absolutely essential. So my favorite is this called Root Lip Liner, and it's by Fitglow Beauty. It's got like a brush on one end, which is so awesome because you have like 2 products in one. This was so long, as you can see, it's almost gone. I like a much darker shade than my lip color, so I like to go 2 to 3 shades darker than the lipstick that I'm wearing because I'm going to contour out my lips. I also just have a LA Colors lip pencil. This was like $1.50, but what color is it? In Cappuccino. And then this one by Jordana, no, Milani, and these are about $6 too. So any like darker nude browns. I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks that I do. So the first thing that I do is I go slightly over the Cupid's bow, okay? So I go like that, and I'm just gonna line right over the top. But with this magnifying mirror, I can see that I have to tweeze my mustache. Girlfriend. Okay, and then I just went right over. Can you see that? And I'm gonna build a shadow lower than my bottom line. Even lower. Like that. That's it. This is gonna add dimension and like a fake shadow that looks like my lips are just more projected. Same with a lighter color in the inside, it makes them look more pouty. Like think of Angelina Jolie. Take a look at her photos. She always has like lighter parts in the center because her lips are actually protruding there, which makes her have that full pouty lip. Then I'm gonna take the liner, which happens to be on the other side, I love it, and just start blending her out a little. And then on the top here. Okay, so that is what I have so far. Now, this would not look this good if I hadn't exfoliated my lips first, for sure, with a liquid lipstick that's quite dry and transfer proof, right? And mask proof. This would be really drying on the lips. So thank goodness I exfoliated first. Let me take a look at my lips from a distance. Okay, they're quite, I like them, but it's too dark for me. I like a lighter lip, so I am gonna go back in with, maybe I'll use the Stay Matte. This is one of my favorites by Rimmel, and this is in the color Raw Embrace, and I got this for like 15 cents on sale at Walgreens. I know, 15 cents, I got like 6 of them. Isn't that scandalous? They're on clearance. Yeah, I like my lipstick just a little bit lighter, so I'm simply gonna do that right in the center, and then pat her out. Let me see if that's more to my liking, because I definitely like a nude. Oh yes, that is a lip that I am really enjoying. Now another trick, you guys, this is so exciting. Instead of using a regular lip liner, and like I said, it doesn't have to be expensive, just any like brown cappuccinos, just test it out, see if you like a dark lip, a warm lip, a cooler lip, a lighter lip, like what's your nude? Like what, experiment, like take all your nudes out and mix and match them, mix the colors together. The one thing that is a little bit hard is if you're using liquid lipsticks and then you add a regular like satin lipstick with it, it might not mix as well as like the liquid lipsticks together and then the satin lipsticks together. So that's something to think about. But again, I just want you to experiment, but exfoliate first. Now, this is something that I came up with like 2 years ago and I was like, I'm a genius. So basically I'm using a liquid lipstick that's way too brown. I wouldn't wear this. This is a Kylie Jenner lipstick I've had for years. That's too brown. I think it's in brown sugar. But what I do is I use it as a liquid liner because then it'll keep my liner on all day. So I'm just gonna use a regular little brush, and then I'm gonna take some of that liquid lipstick, put it on the tip of the brush. When I figured this out, I was like, girl, you just figured something out crazy. Now I've already lined my lips, it's gonna be double lining them. So then I'm just gonna, again, with the product, a little over that Cupid's bow, and then a little under here. You don't need to do the whole lip. I think that's The issue with people looking like way overdrawn is when you're doing the whole lip. You just want to do the top 2 sections because that's going to make the lips are just more perkier and, you know, poutier and voluminous. And then I'm gonna blend. Now, if at any point you feel like that's looking a little dry, let's take a look from a distance. They're still kind of dark. I prefer my lips way lighter, but because I put 2 coats of different liner on it, they're getting really dark right now. But that is okay, because if I keep adding product, we can be here all day, but I'm going to, just because why not? I'm gonna add more of that Raw Embrace. And some people like to add lines, a little bit of lines in their lips, actually with the liner. Let me show you with this, to give it, again, a fake contour. This is so fun, you guys. I'm actually having a really good time doing this. So I'm going to use the LA colors. And is this the one in cappuccino? Yeah. And I'm just going to draw some lines. This is like the trick of the trade. Next time you look at Angelina Jolie's lips, you'll see she has lines all through them because they're so full. And if you draw lines on, it gives a appearance of a more pouty lip. My lips are getting pretty dry at this point because I have been piling the lipstick on. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a lipstick on top that is not a liquid lipstick to add a little bit more moisture back into my lips. You can also use the gloss. I'm not really a gloss girl. So today I'm using my favorite nude lipstick, and I actually don't use this a lot because I covet it. This is by Lawless, and this is in the color Child. Look how absolutely like gorgeous this color is. This is like my perfect nude. So again, you have to find your perfect nude, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little on. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. And then those lines are getting a little, it's getting dry. So that is bound to happen when you put like 6 coats of lipstick on like I just did. Of course, you guys won't be putting on as much as I did, but that, I think, other than the dryness down there from 3 coats, I still think the look, I still think that the look of the lips is still quite pretty, but you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. I hope you really, really like this video. I can do another one with some different shades if you guys want to see how I line my lips and do a red lip. I know you think, oh, just slap on some red lipstick, but it's actually a little bit more complicated than that if you want a really good red lip. But this is my everyday. Yeah, I changed my nudes around a little bit. I tend to like them a little bit more peachy, a little bit lighter, and I'm constantly changing my nude, but it's always like a variation of what's happening right here. So I hope you guys really love this video. I am so excited. It's 2022. I'm excited to do more fashion. I really want to start doing more fashion content for you guys because I love fashion. What else can I say? That's it for me. Remember to subscribe here. Oh, please follow me on TikTok. I have like 40,000 followers there. I love it. I'm growing so fast. And I want to get to 50. What am I at? 40? I don't even know. But I want to get to 50 soon and then 100 on TikTok. I love TikTok. It's so enjoyable for me. So follow me here first, then TikTok. And of course, I'm on Instagram. I've been there forever. And I have thousands of videos there, IGTV, stories, and I talk like every day there about my everyday life. So if you guys are into that, please follow here. And I wish you all the happiest 2022. Make your dreams come true, guys, because no one else is going to do it for you. Okay? Mwah! Bye! Hi, my name's Samantha, and I'm here with Sephora today to do my nighttime skincare routine for skin over 40 and over 50. I want to get all this off right away, so let's get right into it. Okay, my first step is going to be using the Tatcha Pure One-Step Camellia Oil Cleanser. Vitamin C is extremely important for brightening your skin, especially if you have brown spots or any melasma. Hi everybody, my name is Samantha and today I'm here with Sephora and we're doing this glowy foundation look. So stick around if you want to see how I got the glow over 50. Along with me, wherever I go,
Good for hot flashes and also drying off your makeup. There you go. Oh, I love it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something and you like this look. Go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye.